Hi, I am Christina Olvera and I am in 12th grade at Plymouth High School. What led me to go this direction instead of another direction is how hands-on it is. I have always been interested in more tactile learning.
My name is Andy Hartley. I'm superintendent for Plymouth Community Schools. The precision machining pathway with Plymouth Schools and the partnership that we've created with local businesses creates amazing opportunities for our kids. CTE Solutions and ITAMCO both are leaders when it comes to innovation as well as the products that they're producing. The pathway that we've developed with their help is going to prepare kids exceptionally well.
My name is Mark Neidig and I'm the Director of Operations with ITAMCO. We have two facilities in Marshall County, one in Plymouth and one in Argus. So we've been working with local schools since 2011 when we began the precision machining program.
You know, our employers are needing, with 3% unemployment, not only here in Marshall County, but probably throughout northern Indiana. The biggest need for our employers are availability to a good workforce.
My name is Scott Kaser. I am the precision machining instructor at Plymouth High School. One of the things that really sticks out to me about the pathways is it starts the kids earlier in their school career, developing the skill set that they really need.
So my name is Stephanie Drudge and I work for Ivy Tech Community College in South Bend. There's about 17,000 jobs that will be coming in the upcoming years, average salary around 48,000 for those.
Having a competent workforce is absolutely the key in order to have businesses that succeed.
The most exciting thing that I've done within this course is actually creating. It's really, a great feeling when you are told to do something, to create something, given a project, and given enough space to do it on your own.
Kids are able to develop not only around precision machining, but also just basic employability skills, good work ethic, perseverance, the ability to work on projects for a particular purpose are all great as we prepare kids for life after high school, whether it be that they're going to pursue additional training in this area or look to attend college.
When we can match our company's skill requirements with the skill sets of local people that we've grown up with and have worked with all our lives, I think it makes for a richer work environment, not only at our company, but also a tighter knit community and a stronger regional economy.
I think one of the greatest things we're going to see in this pathway grant is we're going to see a lot more kids that are going to have that skill set that's really required for this industry.
You know, Marshall County is rather unique. We've got a lot of employers that are very cutting edge, not only that supply equipment to industries in the East Coast, West Coast, but a lot of our employers are now starting to utilize a lot of robotics, automation in their production.
And another surprise is the work ethic that they expect here. A lot of it is common sense, but something that surprised me is when my teacher had told me that to come in on time was being late, to come in late, being late, but to come 15 minutes early is right on time. And that surprised me because even though I hold that standard to myself, I didn't realize that employers also think this way.
And also industrial technology, which includes welding and HVAC, there's about 60,000 jobs with upcoming with an average around $46,000 a year.
As kids go through this particular pathway, they will develop the skills and the work ethic that will create a more prepared workforce.
One of the things that I can really see that enhances the community in general is that you're developing the young people of your community to be employed right here at home.
I am an intern at ITAMCO and they have been very supportive and encouraging. So they've asked me, if you see something that you're interested in, tell us and we'll let you explore that.
Not only would it enhance the community by having industry and businesses stable with their workforce, but that has a ripple effect across the broader community in Marshall County. If you have stable businesses and they're able to grow and expand, That means having greater quality of life, as well as having a higher living wage for people that are in the community.
This area has a significant number of opportunities that are coming for students that are in high school now, graduating soon, or even those that are graduating in the next few years. So when you have a strong middle and upper middle class who are earning wages in these high demand and high wage jobs, not only do they have money to spend, but they also enhance the entire community. They're spending money, but they're also making money.
Something that really excites me within this field and actually continuing this is the many directions it can take. My main goal is to program and design a blueprint.
Probably 4 or 5 employability skills that are most important to ITAMCO when we go to hire a new employee. First and foremost, it's integrity and accountability, dependability in terms of their attendance, and then also just a personal desire to learn and a desire to have personal growth, both in the workplace and outside.
These dual credit classes are free to the students, so they're earning college credit and certifications at no cost while they're in high school.
Having people that are generally contributing to their businesses by a workforce that's ready, I think that there's other effects that brings, and that's having people that are engaged in community affairs and engaged in various activities in the community that I think adds a different dynamic altogether. So a person that is a good, competent, and contributing member of a workforce tends to be a good, competent, contributing member of the community.
I would say to the younger generation, to females, I think that they should look into it. Stereotypes and prejudices say this isn't something women do, but I don't think that's true.
Plymouth Community Schools is committed to cultivating career awareness and career preparation through school and workforce engagement. We look forward to working with all stakeholders to create an amazing community for individuals and families to thrive, work, and grow.